Actually, first of all, would you mind just introducing yourself and letting us know if you invested with myself, Jacques, and Zede Holmes?
So I'm Ursula. I've recently returned back to South Africa. While I was in China, I did invest with Michael and Jock, and it was a very, very smooth process. I didn't have any issues. Um, Very professional. And to be honest, I actually enjoy your YouTube videos. Very lively. Yes.
Okay, very cool. I'll be sure to do more of
Yes.
those. I do get a bit excited every now and then.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yes.
That was brilliant. Thank you. Second one, before you kind of started investing with us, most new investors generally have a bit of apprehension. I know I did when I first started off. And the more money I started going, or giving out, once I start get to 500, 750, a million rand loan. So it's in things come up within the body and then the mind of like, oh shit, this is real now.
The fear.
Um, what was your experience with your nervousness around towards me, Jacques, Zeta Holmes, or within your own self? What did you kind of experience with that?
So when I first saw the ad about the investments, I got excited because I knew it was something that I've always wanted to do, especially with regards to investing in the UK. And I think my fear was not about investing in SA homes. It was more around my own fears of, money management. And when will I get that money back? Because I had certain plans. But with regards to credibility around the people like you and Jock, absolutely not. I'm also on the investment group of Cape Town, so I know that the people that are in that group are all credible. So I didn't have a fear around that. My fear was around my own money management.
Yeah,
But I think what was also great is that I've actually done it. And it's also helped me to overcome some additional fears that I would have had 3 or 5 years ago. So it was really actually good. The exercise of this was actually really good for myself. So yeah.
perfect. Fantastic. Just a sidebar then. I must actually do a video for you then. I've just in the last month managed to open up my UK bank account and my national insurance number and a UK SIM, all from South Africa. And I found a system called Logbox, which is actually now building up my UK credibility, credit rating, because I'm at zero. So I need to get up.
Please share that with me.
Yes, so I will. And then that is
Please.
coming. And the other thing that's coming as well is the other deal we did in the UK. We've now managed to get hold of a mortgage originator over there who deals with foreigners and how to get them mortgages.
Okay.
And we found a guy who creates HMOs. So I'm going to be doing a HMO this year, fully remote from South Africa, from beginning to end. So yeah, I'll stick tuned. I'll share some information with that as well on the
Okay.
YouTube channel. And in terms of getting your money back, have you received your money back? Was it paid on time? Was there any hassles with you getting it back? Was the interest as planned, as predicted? Anything all around that kind of stuff?
So the money being paid back with interest, always done on time, and actually was a bit sooner than the agreed time. It was actually 2 or 3 weeks sooner, because everything ran so smoothly. And Jock kept me updated throughout the process, letting me know, listen, this is what's happening, this is the response, this is what we're waiting for throughout the process. Like, there was never a time where I was like, oh my goodness, am I going to get this money back? Not once. There was no such thing of fear around that. So it was all paid out with my interest as agreed, no loose ends. So yes, got everything back.
Fantastic. And then finally, would you invest with us again if you saw an opportunity you liked? And would you recommend us to anybody else if they asked?
So yes, I would definitely invest again. I actually wanted to ask you for um the Airbnb links to have a look at that, because I know that's also something that you do. And that was the next step, after investing the first time, to move into that space or just see what there is that I could potentially add to. And then I have actually recommended to you to a few people.
Fantastic.
So, and I will keep on doing that.